Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a plan with me, and this time I'm going to be using my TPC Nation planner and this fantastic, absolutely perfect kit from Caffeine Queens. And this one is called Magical Brew, and it is Disney inspired and coffee, and two things that I love more than anything are coffee and Disney. So when you can put them together, I'm all in. I am all in. So when she comes out with the rest of these kits, I'm most definitely going to be picking them up. And look at my nails even match. I did that on purpose. I picked out those nails from Dashing Diva on purpose because I knew that when I did this plan with me, I wanted the purple and yellow because those are my two favorite colors from the kit. Then for extra boxes, if I need them, which I did, just a couple here and there, I've got my Avalon and Ninth. That's the May mystery functional sub from Avalon and Ninth, which I did haul, but it's missing a few pieces because I had to use it for this plan with me before I could haul it. I've got my little extras over there, and I'm going to share with you, this is the finished. So you guys know that over in my Avalon and Ninth planner, I'm doing all Star Wars, and this is the Star Wars kit from Tiny Little Tulip. Absolutely love it. Came out super, super cute. I've already started writing some of the stuff in it, but that is for next week because I'm not doing a plan with me for every single one of the kits, but that is how the Tiny Little Tulip one came out. So when I showed it during the what kits I'm going to be using for May, I just wanted to show you that one because I think it came out super adorable, and Tiny Little Tulip just perfect. Like the paper was perfect, the color was perfect, the printing was perfect, the cutting was perfect. So highly, highly recommend Tiny Little Tulip. Highly, highly recommend Caffeine Queens. Jenn is fantastic, and again, knocked it out of the park with this kit. Absolutely love it, and I can't wait for her to come out with more. I actually have several more. If you saw my haul, you saw that I have a few more of these, but they're smaller, like ones that I'm going to be using in my B6 because it's only a 2-page kit. If she does more of these, like bigger kits, I will be picking all of them up, like doing the individual ones, because right now this is like the big kit because it's a mix of a bunch of them. But like if she did like a whole Beauty and the Beast one, but it was bigger, I would get that. If she did a whole, because she didn't do all of them as like mini kits, she only did a few of them, and I picked up as many of them as I could this time. And if I think I have like maybe one or two more to pick up during the next sale, so I will definitely be doing that. Sidebar. So this one comes with, you can get like a little sidebar add-on, which I did. And these are all the pieces that come in the sidebar add-on. And then one of the things about using the TPC Nation planner is that sidebar. It's not like a normal one, obviously, because you've got all those little sections in there, and it's meant to, I know if you're new here, I'll explain it really quick. If you're not new here, I'm sorry I'm repeating myself, but I think it's important for people to know that with a TPC Nation planner, the idea behind it is to use each one of those little sections on the sidebar to put, like, say, home, work, school, bills, whatever, and then Monday through Sunday, everything for work. Monday through Sunday, everything for bills. So it's more like a horizontal planner than a vertical, but I never do anything the way it's intended. So I use my TPC Nation planner the same as I use my Avalon Ninth planner. I use it vertically. So because of that, the sidebar is kind of a pain in the neck for me to try to figure out. So right now my dilemma is the washi at the bottom. So I can't and will not under any circumstances cut that washi. It is going to go down exactly the way it is across the bottom. So right now I'm figuring out which things I want to remove from my sidebar so that I can make that washi fit all the way across the bottom, because I won't cut it. I love it. So I just kind of got rid of the hydrate one because really the only thing I would be marking hydrating is how much coffee I drink. That would be it, because I really don't track my water. I don't need to. I know how much water I need to drink, and I drink it every day, and I don't need to track it. It's not something that I pay that close of attention to. But I did put the Monday through Sunday so that I could meal plan there. So I ended up keeping that one and just taking the hydrate one, and I put it actually in my reusable sticker book so that I could use it somewhere else if I decided that I needed to. And now I'm just going to put down my date covers and tell you what's going on this week, because I don't have, like, right now, today, I'm doing this voiceover on Monday. I'm trying to stay ahead of the week instead of catching you up later. I'm trying to like stay ahead and post these a little bit earlier so that you're not like seeing things that are, I literally have videos sitting here that I haven't voiced over from back in March. So I'm trying not to do that anymore. I've actually thrown them out and just decided not to do them, you know, so you don't have to sit through them. But I mean, there was some really cute planner stickers in those ones that I didn't even get to share with you. So I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to get better at this. So I'm trying to do this, like I said, before the week is over. So today is Monday, and so I can tell you what happened today, and I know exactly what's happening for the whole rest of the week. So I'm just going to kind of go through and tell you what's going on this week, and then just show you these gorgeous stickers as I lay them down, because this is hands down one of my favorite kits so far. And because my planner is brand new, I just shoved an extra, it's a little trick, is I shoved an extra little book underneath the covers to bring them up so that they're the same height. And then that way I'm not like struggling around that giant ring in the middle. But this is the brand new TPC Nation, the whole year planner. I got rid of the daily planner because, well, I wasn't able to keep up with it, number one. Number two, they only go for a few months at a time because you have the daily in between the monthly and the weekly. And so it's kind of a much fatter, way more pages type of a planner, and it was just too much for me. I couldn't keep up with it. I was wasting a lot of stickers. I wasn't filling it out every day, and it's much easier for me to do my daily journaling in the little traveler's notebook size planner that I just throw in my backpack and take with me. So I don't have to lug around this bigger planner, because this is 7x9, and that big old ring in the middle, and it's like really hard for me to carry that thing around and take it with me. So my little traveler's notebook daily Cocoa Daisy planner is what I use, and that one just it's small. And I know you've seen it. If you've seen any of my unboxings, you've seen me go through the Cocoa Daisy stuff. So I have a blast setting up that little traveler's notebook planner, decorate it, sticker it out, and then do my daily journaling in that. And I just take it with me every day. And then I catch up. A lot of times I'll just catch up stuff in here. If there's something specific that I want to remember, I'll just go back to my journal and be like, what did I do on Wednesday again? Because I'm getting to that age now where the days just kind of melt together. So unless something exciting happens on one of those days, I forget. I don't even know what the heck I did. But Monday is a fun day. So today I got off work in the morning, came home, hopped into bed, slept for 3 hours, and then got my little Raina. So her daddy dropped her off about 12:30. About 12:30 in the afternoon, and then I got her, and she's still here. They actually decided to spend the night, when instead of just coming to pick her up when they got done, they ended up just staying. So they're spending the night here, and she's upstairs sleeping, and they're hanging out in the living room right now while Cody is building my Legos. I'm gonna tell you my Lego story. I'll tell you my Lego story as soon as I finish telling you what happened on Monday. So the rest of Monday was UFC 274. I think it was called 274. It was a pay-per-view. It happened on Saturday. We watched the replay, and it was really good. So if you're a fight fan, it was a good pay-per-view. There was only really one dud of a fight. The rest of it was fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So that was fun. We got pizza. Spoiled Raina with we gave her a little Hershey's, those little mini Hershey's chocolate bars, and oh my gosh, she wore much more than she actually ate, and then proceeded to like walk around and touch everything. So I'm running behind her with like a wipey trying to clean up all of her chocolate mess, but it was fun. She had a good time. She turned 1 in March, so she's at that fun age where she's running up and down the hall, even though it's funny running, that bow-legged funny baby running, but she looks absolutely adorable when she does it. I really love it when she's over here and we have like all day to play. And then, like I said, her parents are here, and they are right now, I want to say Ashley's probably passed out on the couch, and Cody's still building my Legos. So, Legos. If you follow me on Instagram, go over to the Scrappy Fox and follow me on Instagram, you will see my Lego setup for my Harry Potter stuff. And that is in my office. I did like a little mini video of it where I kind of show off the new Harry Potter set that I got. I finally got it all set up, so it's on my shelf in my office. But out in the family room, we actually have like a little creator series Lego City, and out there we have like there's a bank and trying to think of all the ones that we have, but there's like 5 different big creator sets out there that make up like a city, and there's several more that I want to get. But when we did the construction on the house, we had to take them all apart, so there are literally thousands of pieces, and they are all kind of stuffed into Ziploc bags. So it's kind of a pain to put it back together. And so whenever Cody's over here, I put him to work. I make him put together my Legos. And then when he's not around, obviously I do it myself, but it's it's a lot of work trying to figure out because there's no separation of pieces. When you buy the new sets, if you're not familiar with how they are now, like when I was a kid, you got a bucket of Legos and you just went to town. There was no booklets, there was no separation of pieces. It was just a giant bucket with windows and pieces, and you just used your imagination, put them together. Now they have booklets with, this actually, the Harry Potter set came with like 5 different books. There was over 20 bags. I think it was 22 bags total of Legos, and they're all numbered. So you go with the book, you pick that number bag, and then you put together that section that goes with the bag. It's very organized and easy to follow, and thousands of pieces. I don't think any of the creator sets have less than 5,000 pieces of Legos. So when you take it all apart and you just throw them all into Ziploc bags and you throw them into the box with the books and you hope for the best, basically you're just taking a giant bucket of Legos and trying to figure out how to put it back together. So it can be daunting to do. It takes a really long time because the pieces aren't separated and organized in any way. So it takes kind of a while. So it's a long process to put them back together. And I'm very thankful that Cody loves Legos as much as I do. So yeah, he doesn't mind doing it for me, which is good. Then when he's not around, I do it because I get, if I have time to sit down and put together Legos, then I'll do it myself. I still enjoy it, even though it's kind of chaotic, and I still enjoy putting them together. And then for Mother's Day, my daughter bought me another Harry Potter Lego that I'm going to be putting together, and that one is the Fox. So it's actually a movable one. It's got movable parts. So it's going to be Phoenix, the Phoenix Fox from Harry Potter. It's Dumbledore's Phoenix, that one. And so I'm really excited to put that one together and put it up on my Harry Potter shelf. So I guess enough about my Legos, and I'll get back to the planner. So I had gotten a jury summons, and I think I talked about it before that I got it, and well, it's started. Sunday night I called to make sure if I had to be there on Monday. I didn't, so I had to go to work on Sunday. If I had to be there on Monday, I wouldn't have had to go to work on Sunday, but they said call back on Tuesday night. So I didn't have to call tonight, and I'll have to call tomorrow night to see if I need to be there on Wednesday. So like a couple of days where I know for sure that I don't have to be there, but then maybe on Wednesday and Thursday, I have to call those days. So I didn't have to do that, but I'm still leaving myself room in my planner to write down every single day, to remind myself to call so that I don't get in trouble, because I'll have so many things going on right now. The sale starts on Thursday. I'm in this, I'm one of the featured shops for the Planner Squad on Facebook. There's a giveaway and some other stuff going on. So I've got a lot of stuff going on this week, and plus my monthly subscriptions end on the 10th, and I'm trying to get those all packaged and get out there. So it's a lot of stuff going on, and I can totally see myself forgetting and not calling the courthouse and not showing up, and then getting whatever happens, whatever bad things happen when you don't show up when you're supposed to. I can see that being me, just because my week is just too busy for me to keep track of all the stuff. So I left myself spaces for that to remind myself every day. Also going to go have lunch with my son on Tuesday for Mother's Day. He's waiting to take me out for that. And then I'm supposed to work Wednesday, Thursday, but I may be at the courthouse, who knows. And then Thursday starts the sale, so I left myself a little space for sale time. And I have actually got the little, you'll see them when I get to that part of the video, I've got the little icons and stuff and some scripts and whatnot in my reusable sticker book. And that's where I'm going to put some of those. So this time what I wanted to use was a lot of I have been neglecting my character stickers, and it's really starting to irritate me that I have all these stinking adorable character stickers and I keep forgetting to use them. So I have now, what I do before I sit down with a plan with me is I'm being smart about it, and I'm getting them all, the things out that I know I need for the week, putting it in my reusable sticker book, and then keeping it right there beside me. So as I'm setting up my planner, I know I need to put this here, I need to put this there, and make sure that I have boxes for them. So I'm trying to be a little bit more organized and be smarter about it so that I can use these character stickers, because I love them and I want to order more, because there's a couple of shops that I love their character stickers and I want to order more, but I just can't justify it when I've got 550,000 of them sitting here in my books. So I'm going to start using them, and then I can justify ordering more because I'm behaving. See my book? And then I'm using certain things in there to remind myself about the courthouse. So you'll see that when I put them down. So I'm using Planning with Manny to remind me that the TPC sale starts that day. We play a game on Monday nights with my son, but today's Monday, and we postponed it to Tuesday because my daughter and they all decided to spend the night tonight. So we ended up putting the game night off until tomorrow night. The little the little bunny, that one is to remind me to call for jury duty. So I've got the WTF bunny, and I've got the alarm clocks to remind me to call every day for that. I'm using the gigantic TV because the 14th is another UFC fight night. The little snuggly one there, I didn't have one to put down for going out to lunch with my son. So I'm using one of the ones that I use for Raina. And then some other stuff just reminding me to do voiceover, reminding me about like my cleaning schedule. There's a bunch of other ones. What else did I put in here? I did the laundry stuff. The orders for doing the orders. I got the little like shmoo looking thing over there on Saturday. So it came out really, really cute. I finally am using my icons. I'm very excited. I hope you guys like this. Rambling on forever about my Legos. I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. And I will be back again with another one very, very soon. I have a schedule and I'm sticking to it. Have a great day. Bye.